Right, well, good morning. I'm not gonna lie, it's freezing, but today's the day that we're gonna do a photo shoot ready for the Edinburgh Fringe show. Sun's shining, camera guy's booked, let's go build a set. Now, we're doing it right here in the freezing cold on this January morning, and I'm telling you, it's freezing. We're doing it right here at JezO HQ, that's right. So, before we do anything, first thing, we'll have a cup of tea, haven't we? Let's get it boiling. Right, tea's on the go. Now, first thing we've got to do for this Edinburgh Fringe is get the artwork and the imagery. So, in this freezing cold warehouse, we're going to create a bit of a car crash. The show's called Car Crash Magic. It's the first time I've been at the Edinburgh Fringe. Now, we could do all this with green screen, but we've decided to go for real. So with the Mini that we used in a previous video on our YouTube channel, with the blindfold drive and smashing through the shed, we've got the Wallace's Mini, and we're now going to use it in the photo shoot. We've got to build a set, so it's absolute carnage. We're having fire, smoke, pyrotechnics, dry ice, the whole lot. And I'm going to stand on the front of it, and we'll have some photos. Right, quick tea. Eating a cake right now, but I'm gonna have a look. Morning's work. Sorry, eating a cake. So these are the items that we've collected over the last few weeks from different suppliers. As you can see, this is the Mini that I was talking about, and then one would call it upcycling in today's day and age. A bit of upcycling. Barrels from a local garage, tyres from across the road, and then just scrap wood that we found. A few empty gas canisters. But as you can see, the car's crashed, so we're halfway there. And I'll be standing on the bonnet to do the magic. Car crash magic. Get the idea? Right, John. I just don't batter an eyelid. I think this is great. Help. We're just playing around. We're working out where to put the low fog. So it doesn't cover the show, complete everything, but we get that nice low fog. Right, all the set's done. Let's go get changed. Photo shoot time. Cold now. I like that one. Yeah, we've got something, haven't we? This is great.
Right, I'm ready when you are.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Let's check.
Is that your card? Of course it's your card, because it's car crash magic at the Edinburgh Fringe. See the Gilded Balloon. So that's what we call a wrap. That's from building the set to having the photos. Now we just wait and see what the graphic design and boys and girls do.